Today I am reviewing the KTC 32-inch 2K monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Finding the perfect desktop monitor usually feels like a balancing act between size, resolution, and fluid performance. If you go too large with a standard 1080p display, the text looks pixelated. If you look at high-end gaming monitors, you often pay a steep premium for speed metrics you might not even use during your regular workday. The KTC 32-inch 2K computer monitor, model number H32T13, strikes an absolute sweet spot for anyone who splits their time evenly between office productivity, creative work, and casual gaming. Let's begin with the physical footprint and visual presentation. This is a massive 32-inch flat panel using an advanced IPS display. IPS technology is highly regarded because it ensures excellent color reproduction and exceptionally wide 178-degree viewing angles. Whether you are sitting dead center or leaning back to show a coworker a project, the image does not wash out or shift colors. The resolution sits at a crisp 2K QHD, which translates to 2560 by 1440 pixels. On a 32-inch canvas, this pixel density gives you plenty of desktop real estate to open multiple windows side by side without forcing you to squint at microscopic text. Enhancing this expansive look is an ultra-thin, frameless bezel design. The minimal borders not only look sleek and modern on a desk, but they also make this panel an excellent candidate for a dual-monitor multi-screen workspace setup. When it comes to movement and fluid visuals, KTC has equipped this display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. If you are upgrading from a standard 60 Hz office monitor, the difference is immediate and dramatic. Everything from dragging a folder across your desktop to scrolling down a long web page feels incredibly fluid. For gaming, that higher refresh rate pairs seamlessly with both G-Sync and FreeSync compatibility. This means the monitor dynamically syncs its refresh cycle to match the frame output of your graphics card, completely eliminating jarring screen tearing and minimizing distracting motion blur during fast-paced action sequences. The color performance on the H32T13 is another major standout feature, especially given its accessible price point. It covers 109% of the sRGB color gamut and outputs 16.7 million colors. When you combine that wide color coverage with HDR support and a strong peak brightness of 350 nits, your media comes alive. Images look punchy, colors feel vivid, and dark, shadowy scenes in movies or games reveal much deeper blacks and finer details rather than dissolving into a muddy gray blur. Because many of us spend upwards of 8 to 10 hours a day staring at a computer screen, eye comfort is critical. KTC addresses this directly with an integrated eye care package. It utilizes built-in flicker-free technology alongside a hardware-level low blue light mode. This actively reduces the specific light wavelengths that trigger eye strain and headaches, keeping your eyes feeling fresh during marathon editing sessions or late-night gaming blocks. Flipping around to physical adjustments and connectivity, the monitor includes a desktop stand that supports a tilt angle from -5 to 15 degrees. If you prefer to reclaim your desk space, the back of the panel is fully VSA mountable using a standard 75 by 75 mm pattern, making it easy to attach to a gas spring monitor arm. For inputs, you are well covered. It features two HDMI 2.0 ports, one DisplayPort 1.4, and a handy headphone jack, allowing you to easily bounce back and forth between a PC, a Mac, a laptop, or even a gaming console. Ultimately, the KTC H32T13 proves that you do not have to spend a fortune to get a spacious, high-quality display. By combining a beautiful 2K IPS panel, a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and rich color accuracy, it serves as an incredibly versatile workhorse for your daily digital life.